But it just shows that what we're trying to do, we're doing. We're cleaning the lint. Now, how do I get up again? Oh, yeah. Oh, nonsense! Oh, man! Does your dryer suck? Well, maybe it doesn't suck, but it's not doing the job it's supposed to do. Like, you put the clothes in, you dry it, they pull them out, they're still damp, so you have to give it a second go. That's probably because your lint trap or your dryer vents are not clear. This is your lint trap, your vent is in the back, and as you can see, my kids did not clean the trap, so I'll do it for them. Why do you want to clean your trap? Well, first and foremost, clean trap, you're gonna get your appliance working more efficiently, and your clothes are going to get drier more quickly, and you're going to spend less money drying your clothes, less time. Lint is an igniter. It is flammable. It is a fire starter. These are heated with gas. Gas, kindling, fire, house explodes, bad news bears. All right, so clean your lint traps. And it's not just this lint trap, it's also your vent, which goes out the wall over there. So we're gonna pull out the dryer. I got this nice little handy dandy thing today, the dryer vent cleaning kit. I'm gonna hook it to the end of my drill. We're gonna send it down the tube. We're gonna pull out the lint, and we're gonna keep our house from burning down. And we're gonna make our appliance much more efficient. Got my lint, cleared out the lint. Boom. Take out the decorative elements. These things, these are also good to have. All right, this is nice because you can hook this up. You can hook this thing up to your drill. But these are nice to have. They got that nice flexible bristle and L-shaped thing, and you just put those because you're gonna be surprised at how much stuff doesn't get caught by your actual lint catcher. Look at that, see all that? Huh? Always more, always more. Sorry, it was a hard pull out for you. I apologize. Ugh. Let's give it a second. Let's give it a second one. And then you can get your vacuum in there if you want to get real crazy. I have a vacuum right over there. But yeah, you want to stir this stuff up. Anytime you get that lint out, right? And yeah, a little lint, well, it adds up. A little lint sanity. All right, there we are. That's enough of that. I'm gonna unplug it, because always it's better to be safe than sorry, right? Unplug it. All right, so I'm gonna open this thing real quick. This is my rotary dryer vent. So what you do is you pop that bad boy out, you get this out, get this out, screws into that, right? Boo-boo. And then this one, that's right, screws into that. And obviously we have alternate heads. So we're gonna go with this head first, and then maybe we'll go with this head second. All right, and then I'm gonna slide this guy right in there like that. All right. So that's what's about to get down. All right, got my drill with a Phillips head bit. Now, a lot of times the tube is connected with like this spring latch. Mine is connected with a screw, just in an extra level. So had to get the drill out. And then, there it is. That's the one. That's the screw that was holding it all together. Here's my tube. Mine actually connects and goes all the way in. So, and you can see, just here in the opening, all of the lint that has gotten stuck on there. I don't know if you can even see there. See that? So, time to stick Mr. Cleanersworth, Mr. Bristlesworth down in there. Pushing this guy in. Ugh. All right, what we need now is a blower. Look at all that, ugh. That's literally just the beginning. It's a ton of it's gotten loosened up. So what I'm gonna do to get all that loose stuff out, keep an eye on that pile. So we broke up we got all the lint loose. Now it's time to take it to the next level. Put it in the big dog. Whoa, did you see that? Woo! Yeah, probably a small mouse village worth of lint if they could have gotten to it. Ugh. Huh? You could have heard dust bunnies. Woo! And that was all just caked onto the walls of my tube. Call me old Richard Lint Getter. Sorry, Richard. I know it's not your last name. Here we go. Here we go. What are we gonna pull out this time? Oh, look at that, huh? Lint. Yay! We're mining for lint and we've hit gold. Well, we've hit lint. Lint gold. Lots of it. And now I'm in my window well. Find where your dryer vents out of your house. It has to vent somewhere. These little rubber things you can pull out really easily. All right, you just squeeze them up and in. Boop. I have lint on the outside of my house. Not sexy, but you can see all that lint. Look at that. So we're gonna bust out our buddy. We're gonna go this side too. I wanna be extra thorough, right? Extra thorough. So, we're going in. Are you ready? Look at all that. Oh yeah, we're going in for more. Light speed. Woo! All right. I'm gonna be extra thorough. I'm gonna go get a leaf blower. I'm gonna attach it to the other end. I'm gonna shoot out all of the extra debris. Now that we've gone in there with these bristles, we've loosened up all the lint that has been stuck to our vent. Now I'm gonna get to the leaf blower, blow it out, and away we go. So that's a lot of lint, my friends. Not that hard of a job. It's gonna make your dryer more efficient. It's gonna make your house safer, and your clothes drier and smelling fresh. So thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, and I'll see you next time.